Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do something really unique and that is kind of close to whatever I referred like a few hours back or maybe 5 minutes or sometime before, because I didn't before posting the previous video I'm making this video. So today we are going to drive a cement mixer on the highway. So let's take this cement mixer. So I brought this from so guys, there's some construction place on mid of the highway, right? So I took the truck from there and brought it till here. Now we're going to take it back there. So the bus treadmill is a good place to turn. Why do these keep bumping into me? Okay guys, we have successfully turned after a billion tries. Okay, let's keep driving straight. Hopefully it doesn't glitch. Right here is our car. Honk honk. Bye bye. Hi police. Look, I just ran you over. I just moved the police behind me and then pushed it. And the police still doesn't care. I wish the creator made some update like there were actual police officers and they would try actually arresting you, and then the game would be really fun. So now we are going on to the highway. Here we are. Airport is straight, highway is this way. So I've tried already driving this on the highway in reverse. It worked. And right now we're going to go here. Okay. This barely fits, guys. Like, I might need an extra space to drive this. Hi Bugatti Chiron. Okay, we're going to soon reach the highway. I mean the rest area. After we reach the rest area, we are going to play there. I'm surprised why don't my new videos take more time than usual. Okay, we are so close to this, guys, and it's barely like 2 minutes. I can make shots out of this. Okay, let's do a turn at the same speed. It says 30, but we moved at our truck in the previous video, guys. Remember, I drove this truck till here, then took another truck, and then at one stopping area I flipped that also, and I stole this from there. That was kind of fun to do, but that's what happened behind the scenes. Let's drive. We just stole another car again. I mean, it's just NPC cars. All the time it's there. And we just crashed into a multi-million-dollar Bugatti. Now let's go to the stand. Let's do something unique. Leave me. Not there. One Sprite, please. Oh, there's no Sprite. And 7-Up. Okay, thank you. Let's go. I want to still try fueling this car up also. Here we are. Whee! Get the car. I think the fueling person isn't there. Yes, no, he's there. Let's try. Brakes. Okay. Nope. No fuel for this vehicle, but okay, let's keep driving straight and go to the island. Let's follow this Bugatti. Let's see who's faster. Oh, he just went. He went to Ring Road. And by the way, guys, if you didn't know, the Ring Road is an endless road. So see guys, over here this vehicle is there, and over here there has been an accident created by me. So the behind vehicle which was mixing cement, that's a vehicle which I stole. Isn't that cool, right? And I drove it all the way in reverse over here. And I brought it there near our car, and now we're going to Urso Island. I can't still pronounce it properly, I guess. We have to pay taxes, I mean something for the road thing. Okay. Right, left, right. Okay. Now let's park this in a parking lot. Let's find one nearby. Okay, we found one. What's happening, guys? Okay. No. Oh, not that. It's a... Oh. Is this an end of a road? Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this to your friends. Bye, guys.